Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Nick, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at my online business and how exactly I go through the full mailing process, from getting the invoice in, sending them a response with the full shipping price, and then going ahead and mailing it. So, for this example, you can see that they ordered $30.60 worth of product. We have 30 battle droids at 97 cents each, and one Obi-Wan at $1.50. Now, you can see that there is no shipping here. The shipping was free on this order. And why is that? Well, we have a policy at my store that if they order over $30, then they're going to be rewarded for, free shipping with that. And I only do that because shipping Lego is relatively cheap. I really only need small packages, and I can estimate that's going to cost anywhere from like $3 to $4 to ship products. So it's really not cutting into my margins. I have high margins already. So that's kind of irrelevant to the issue. Now we can see that they have insurance. Now their order was not more than $50, so when you ship with the USPS, United States Postal Service, you're going to get insurance included up to $50, especially for the, it's not just like an envelope or something. It is a decently sizable package. So we have that there. I mail everything first class unless it's specified that they want to ship priority. First class is relatively cheap. It's not any more expensive than anything else you might find. Just to get a little bit of a background knowledge on that. Now, they ordered at late night on November 11th. I'm filming this now on the 21st after I've already mailed some stuff yesterday. My initial recording was deleted for some reason. So pretty much once we have this order down, I make sure that the parts are in good condition. I make sure they're clean. I make sure they're functional. And I make sure that the customer cannot have any complaints about it, that it isn't already listed in the product description. There's 30 of these battle droids, so I really didn't have a product description for that. It does say used, so they're going to know that, but they are relatively good condition. I try to make sure all of my products are at least up to standard. There's something that I'd want, so I would not order or put anything on my own store that I would not want to order and receive. So once we have all this information down, I'm able to go ahead, pack it, print out the shipping labels, whether that's via PayPal, they have an option, or if that's not working, or if I just can't do that at the time, I'll just use a printer to conventionally print out just a label and then just glue it on there, as you'll see next. So let's just go do that right now. So pretty much here we already have a lot of the stuff set up. I have one of the dates pre-applied on. I'm going to blur that out just so you guys don't know my address. But pretty much I get a date, I print it out, I cut it, I get some packaging tape right here. I just put a thin layer over the address it's mailed to. I first pre-applied the destinations and return labels onto the envelope that I will be using. This one is a larger order with more volume, so I am going to be using this. I do make sure things are padded and secured, so I'll be using this bubble envelope to count my supplies. So we have 30, so we're going to count by threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. So we have all of our products, including this one guy. So 31 in total. I make sure to check that it's evenly distributed. So if it is thrown, some things aren't crunched or broken. So I pretty much just insert the bubble wrap into what is going to be the envelope. Make sure it's tightly secured in there, just so we don't have any loose articles kind of being tossed around in the case of shipping. Because if you mail to stop a lot of stuff like me, you know that the United States Postal Service does not always take the courtesy to check and make sure your order is nice and catered to your needs. They mail a lot of stuff, so you got to take that into your own hands. I'm just going to secure it here. I'll probably throw another layer of tape onto it just to make sure that nothing falls out in transit. So we'll go ahead, tape that on here, and now we're all ready. So a big question I'm sure a lot of you have on your minds is, on this $30.60 order, how much money did I make? So I'm probably going to have to ship it, and that's probably going to cost me around $4. So now we're down to about $26.60. But how much did the inventory cost? What are my margins? So for the 30 droids and one Obi-Wan Kenobi minifigure, I paid probably about $7 to $8 for all of those included. I usually buy in bulk, so I get a lot of other stuff included, but calculated out, that's about how much. So you have the $4 for shipping and the $7, so you're going to subtract 11 from my $30 of profit, and we're going to get about $19.60 that I netted. Now overall, I think that's pretty good and definitely worth my while for the 10 to 20 minutes that it takes me to ship. I have to go to the post office now. It closes at 5, so I'll see you guys in the next one. If you enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'll see you in the next one.